Welcome back to the channel, guys. XRP might just be gearing up for a massive move, at least according to a well-known market analyst who goes by the pseudonym Papa. Despite recent dips, Papa insists that XRP is currently screaming higher and might be on its way to hitting double digits thanks to bullish Fibonacci extensions, and we'll go over that more in just a moment. BTCC is a crypto exchange with some really cool features, such as there's no VPN or KYC needed. It's been around for 13 years. You have access to over 300 different cryptocurrencies and leverage up to 500x. Plus, there's bonuses, such as a 10% bonus for your deposit bonus, and bonuses all the way up to $10,055, and you can get that by using my referral link down in the description below. So if you want to research this or if you're ready to get started, again, you can find that link down in the description below. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this. So lately, XRP has been under some serious selling pressure. After reaching a 2-week high of $2.24 on April 13th, it quickly stumbled, dropping down to $2.04 by April 18th. That's a 3% drop in just a few days, and it marked the first time XRP had 4 straight days of losses since March. Not exactly bullish, right? But Papa sees something else in the charts. He's pointing to historical trends, specifically a setup that looks a lot like XRP's explosive rally back in 2017 to 2018. If you were around back then, you probably remember it. XRP shot up 7,875% from just 0.0055 cents in March 2017 to nearly 40 cents in May. After that, the coin cooled off and began consolidating, which formed a symmetrical triangle pattern that lasted until December. When it finally broke out of that triangle, it wasn't just a small bump. It skyrocketed another 1,762%, peaking at an all-time high of $3.31 in January of 2018. What's interesting is that the price followed Fibonacci extension levels almost perfectly during that run, hitting the 1.272, 1.618, 2.618, and even the 4.618 levels. Papa now believes that we might be seeing a similar setup play out again. So fast forward to today. XRP surged from 50 cents in November of 2024 all the way up to $3.39 in January 2025. That's a 578% jump, which is impressive by any standard. But since then, things have cooled down again. XRP has pulled back nearly 39% from that recent high, and for the past 3 months, it's been stuck in a consolidation pattern. This time, though, instead of a triangle like in 2017, we're seeing what's called a parallel channel. Basically, XRP is bouncing between two trend lines, and traders are watching for a breakout above that upper line, right around the $3 mark. And here's where it gets exciting. Papa believes a breakout above $3 could mimic the 2017 explosion. If XRP follows the same path and hits those same Fibonacci targets again, we could be looking at some big numbers. He's projecting a rise to the 4.618 extension, which would put XRP at around $14. That's a 576% increase from where it is right now. And to be fair, Papa's not the only one with this $14 target in mind. Last year in November, another analyst named Steph also encouraged investors to grab XRP before it hits $14. And back then, XRP was just 50 cents. Even earlier, in April of 2024, a trader known as JD said $14 should be the minimum target for this bull run. So what would it take to actually get there? The key is that the breakout is above $3. If XRP can break through the top of this channel and confirm the breakout, that could set the stage for a major rally. Of course, as with any market prediction, nothing's guaranteed, but it's hard to ignore how closely today's setup mirrors XRP's biggest historical move. So in short, XRP might be in the calm before the storm. The coin has been consolidating, yes, but if this bullish pattern holds, and if we get that critical breakout, $14 isn't just a dream. It could be the next destination. So whether you're a long-time holder or just watching from the sidelines, keep an eye on that $3 mark. It could be the start of something big. So let me know how you guys feel about this down in the comments below. Do you agree that $3 is going to be a really, really key important level? I think that it's just pretty common sense. It makes sense trying to get above such a psychological level, the $3 point. And yeah, so moving on, I want to know what you guys think. Share your thoughts with us. I'll keep you guys posted as usual. Again, you can find that link to BTCC down in the description. I'm also over on Blue Sky. Thank you guys so much for dropping follows. We're now up to 32 followers. I'm trying to get to 40. I'm at Crypto Atlas. The link is down in the description below. Would be greatly appreciated if you do drop a follow over there. And thank you so much to my Patreon supporters, as well as my YouTube members. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next episode.